I don't know how many makeup lesson videos I'm going to be talking to you about how to prep your skin for a flawless makeup look. If you haven't seen my previous one, which was talking about using the right tools, I will link it. I don't know what side of the screen it will be, but it will be up here somewhere, and I will also link the playlist down below. As always, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to pop them in the comment section down below, and I will also link all the products that I mentioned in the video today in the description box. So other than that, let's just get on with the video. To prep my skin. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you did find it helpful, just to let me know that I'm doing something right. Like I said in the beginning, I will link all the products I've used down below, and I will link the previous videos and the playlist down below or above. And like I said as well, if you do have any questions or comments, please feel free to pop them in the comment section down below. Other than that, I will see you in the next makeup lesson. Bye bye.